Shop day. Finally nice out. Okay, finally got out to the shop, did some honeydew stuff today inside the house, so that's why it took me a bit to get out here, but with that organization, I was able to find some cool stuff inside the house. So I'm hoping that we can work on the 240 tonight, get some stuff done. Here we go. Oh, also, this is all I did last time I was in here. I stickered my table with all things cool, I guess. A lot of my stickers I got from Special Stage West, but all the dudes that I met. I don't know why I haven't been using this. I completely forgot. But the thing is it takes forever to like click on or get like the heating element. So we're gonna read this and see if we can't figure out how to get this thing started. There are instructions somewhere. There we go. We have fire! Look at that. It actually didn't take as long as I thought it would have, but I don't know if it's gonna do anything, but I can at least come over here and get warm for a minute. All right, let's do some work. Woo! I don't have all the hardware for the cross member, so I would come to the bolt bin, see what we can find. Just realized that I don't have the rubber bushing that goes from the transmission to the trans cross member, so I did find I found the bolt that I needed to go from cross member to chassis. So now I'm gonna switch gears. I have my my starter bolts, and I need to do like what I was talking about. I need to like kind of drill a hole and see what the hell's holding these bolts back from going into the bell housings. What I need, and hope that it's not too long. That actually looks pretty good. Here's what we're dealing with. You can see the drill bit up there. So I need to get my drill up inside there. Try to drill out those holes because for some reason the bolts won't go through it and bolt up the starter. So see what the issue is here. Get those drilled out. It should be good now. The drill bit kind of moves freely in there, or at least I can like twist it in, so something's definitely blocking it, and I'm guessing it's the sandwich plate, so guess we'll find out. I picked up this this pretty cool measuring tool, I guess you could call it. So it's by Pit Posse. It's got a bunch of different stuff on here, so makes it super easy to find like thread pitch. So I need to go buy some new starter bolts, but I need to figure out what they are first. So like put that in there, and kind of hard to see, but it's a 10. Obviously it won't go into the 8, and 12's too big, so it's a 10. And then if you flip this over, there's all these thread pitches on there, and you can put this on let's see, this is a 1.5. So you can put it right there. And, oh, there we go. And see how it just fits in just perfect. Doesn't fit in the 175, fits in the 1.5. So we know that that this bolt is a 10 by 1.5, and then you can just take your length measurement and go take it to Ace Hardware or wherever. It also has for nuts too, here on the end. Make it pretty nice. So thumbs up for that. So much better with heat. And beer. Beer. Dos. This start is being a huge pain in the ass. Guess we'll shut the door. Keep some heat in. The drilling only did so much and I couldn't actually get the bottom hole, so what I'm doing is I'm just running the fucking bolts in there, letting them thread themselves through. And I can see where the sandwich plate got a little messed up before. It looks like somebody had dropped it on there, so it's kind of wiggled around, but starter's almost bolted up, and then I can finish putting on the power and the ground and everything like that. Woo! Got the starter in down there. Next thing that we're gonna do, I've got this old stainless steel braided line from my Clutch Master, and we're gonna try to feed it down around here, keep it as close to the firewall as we can, and snake it back down inside there. Let's see if we even got close to where we need to be. Oh yeah. Yeah, that'll work out. So this car doesn't have too much rust or anything, but since it's been sitting in a field for a bit, components like the brakes and stuff have seen much better days. Pretty much every component on this thing has seen much better days. Looks like it's just been sitting in a bunch of fucking mud. Clutch line is all finished up. Kind of got it tucked up a little bit. Drops over there, backside of the bell housing. There's not too much I can do. I still need to get some other parts, but here's some of the things that are kind of worrying me about this, about it starting and everything. So we have plugs like this back here, which I think is for IACV, but it you know, it just pulls right off. A lot of these clips are broken and stuff, so I mean things aren't really clipped in there, and everybody's telling me not to worry and just to run it, so I'm gonna throw fluids in it and kind of just send it. I don't think I want to sell this car. I'm liking it. You guys are probably wondering, like, dude, you got a JZ sitting here, you got a Cressida sitting here, why aren't you working on it? Well, I'm kind of at a standstill with it. There's a couple things I need to get, and I like to go back and forth between the two cars. It kind of keeps me excited. Seeing people like Danger Ben and other people vlogging that I know personally is super cool. It helps me out a bunch. It's kind of like I'm trying to keep up, and I want to have a car that I can do burnouts in. I don't even care if it's a single cam car. I don't give a shit what it is, but the KA car is so much closer to being finished, and at least trying to get it started. So we'll see. But I'm gonna go grab a cigar. I'm gonna end this night, listen to some music, and yeah, that's the rest of the night. So I will see you guys tomorrow.